Mr. E Zingeris, my good friend from the Council of Europe, and now you are sworn in as for another period as member of this Parliament here. I give you a few minutes. You wanted to say a few things. You do it from there, or do you come up here?
Which language to choose?
Perhaps I'll speak Lithuanian because I'm in Lithuania today. What I would like to say is that the President of the Republic of Lithuania has re-established this commission, and I'm grateful to her for this. 1 month ago, the commission, which has a long name, was re-established. I mean, International Historical Commission. And I would like to thank all of you, all the participants of this forum, who has spent 2 days serially discussing the destiny of the victims of the totalitarian regimes. What we are asking the European Union is the only thing: to reinforce investigation of these 2 types of crime. It's our request to investigate these dreadful crimes more thoroughly and their memorialization in new generations. Another thing, Lithuanian presidency. Poland has proposed to establish a forum for democracy, endowment for democracy. America has a similar forum, and our wish is to involve this forum into our activities. Thirdly, it is really sad that we have forces behind our eastern borders that dare to throw explosives into the territory of our embassy in Belarus, Molotov cocktails, just during the anniversary of a socialist revolution. We see that ideologies are still alive. Nazi-like crime that Breivik in Norway has committed. And having in mind that the platform started from Lithuania following our request during German presidency. That was Brigitte Tsipras, the Minister of Education of Germany, who has accepted our Prime Minister's request. We have to achieve that the European Commission and European Union structures officially arrive to the conclusions based on the document that contains 600 pages. We have this document on our table, properly framed. If you remember the fresque in Strasbourg from the 15th century, it's rather well known. It's called Europe. So in this book, we hope for another step from the European Commission. Following the Prague Declaration of 2008, we experienced threats. I mean those who have signed the declaration, including Václav Havel and Vytautas Landsbergis. I dared to tell those people that my signature will never be taken away from there. People who have suffered from crimes against humanity and emphasizing, undermining Stalin's crimes. I hope we will manage to come to a consensus how to convince the European Union leaders to strengthen investigation. And to strengthen activities of the Holocaust commissions and Soviet crime investigation commissions. We can achieve that by joint efforts. And I hope that academicians also will find space in their hearts for including an additional theme in their research. Those who investigate Holocaust will find space for Soviet crimes and vice versa. Because assessment is much more important than fight or competition. Let me greet our young activist, Nela Winkelmann, who has devoted so many years in order to raise awareness of the Czech society and European society. We are all fighting and suffering from the legacy of the Soviet heritage. I think people in Prague need assistance so that their ideas become everyday reality of the European Union. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Well, the Prague Declaration, I googled it and took it out here. And actually, we are 3 signatories in this room, 3 among the first. First is Mr. Havel, late Mr. Havel. Second is the German President Gauck. Third is myself. Then Professor Landsbergis, and then Mr. Zingeris. So we're pretty well represented.